Lentil soup, tadka dal, or lentil curry, whatever you want to name it. It is a very satisfying, tasty one dish you must try. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. So today we are preparing brown lentil curry, which is also called Whole Masoor Dal. So here I have 1 cup of Masoor Dal or brown lentil, and this 1 cup of brown lentil recipe will serve at least 6 to 8 people. So first we need to give it a good wash to this brown lentil. So just wash it well with your hand nicely for at least once or twice, and then soak it in a good amount of water for at least 6 to 8 hours, or you can soak it overnight. As you can see, I have soaked my lentil for 6 hours and the lentils are almost double in size. So again now we are going to wash this lentil at least 2 to 3 times nicely with fresh water. Our lentil is nicely washed and ready to use, and I recommend pressure cooker for this recipe because it does help the lentil to cook well, and it helps it to cook fast as well. But if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can use an open pot. It will just take a little bit longer time. With the lentil into the pressure cooker, it goes 3 to 4 big size of garlic, half an inch of ginger finely chopped, handful of coriander leaves, and 2 big size of tomatoes roughly chopped. And we are also going to add some spices. So here I have around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, around 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, salt according to taste, and 1 teaspoon of ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can use a little bit of oil or clarified butter. And for 1 cup of brown lentil, here I am adding around 1 liter of water. Now we just need to mix everything nicely and cover the pressure cooker and cook it for at least 25 to 30 minutes on low-medium flame. Or if you have a whistle in your pressure cooker, then at least 3 to 4 whistles. So I've cooked it for 30 minutes, and as you can see, our lentil is nicely cooked. And I'm just going to mash the tomato and garlic with the back of my spoon. But if you want, you can use potato masher and wash it well as well. It's because it's pressure cooked, so it cooks so well that you can easily mash it nicely. And now we just need to prepare our tadka. For tadka, here I have combined oil and ghee together, around 1.5 tablespoon. Into goes 1 bay leaf, 2 red chili, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed for seasoning. Once our seasoning is ready, here I am adding 1 medium size of onion, thinly sliced, and 2 green chili split into half. Green chili is completely optional, and we are going to cook the onion on low-medium heat until it's nicely caramelized. Our onion is ready. As you can see, it's nice and golden brown. So now it's time to add our garam masala and Kashmiri lal mirch. Kashmiri lal mirch will bring a very nice color to the curry, and garam masala will enhance the flavor of the curry. So just give it a good mix, and then you can add either the dal to the tadka or tadka to the dal. So here I am adding dal to the tadka and allow it to come to a boil nicely, and add some chopped coriander leaves if you have, and just enjoy your tadka dal. Or you can enjoy it as a soup, or you can have it as with rice or naan or roti, and it's really tasty and healthy. I hope you are going to give it a try, and do share your comments with us. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.